Hello and welcome everyone to my channel. My name is Bellaire, and today I am talking to you about plantain, the nutrition part of it and the medicine part of it. And right now I have a beautiful big plant growing on my front lawn. Plantain come in two kind of leaves, large leaves like this and also narrow leaves. First I just want to plantain is an excellent herb to purify your body of toxins and neutralize the poison. If you get stung by a bee or insect, what you do, you kind of squish a leaf like this, a plantain leaf. You kind of make it like you make the juice come out a little bit, like this. And then you rub it on the sting of the insect where you got stung by the bee or the insect. It helps to pull out this toxin and the poison out of your body. And it's good to also to use as a tea. It's great for drink it as a tea to just detox your body and brings the poison out of your body. It's also very awesome for the respiratory system. It helps with all the respiratory issue like difficulty breathing and asthma and bronchitis and all this stuff around there. It also reduces inflammation in your body. Plantain is also great for the system digestive. It helps to regulate your bowels. It's great for the prostate. Let me show you what the plant looks like. This is what the plant looks like. Right there. Beautiful seeds and plant. So plantain, it has all the amino acid in it, and it's rich in vitamins as well. You can dry the plantain and powder it and put it in jars and use it during the winter months. You can put it in your smoothies, salad, anything that you cook with, just sprinkle it. And what I do, I just cut the leaves like this, and then I will be drying it. I will wash it. Anyways, I'll make another video about that. So plantain is good for the heart. It's good for the eyes, and the seeds are really excellent too. Let the seed come brown. When the seed come brown, there's some seed here turning brown. Don't know if you can see it. They're green at first and then they turn brown. Let the seed turn brown, and then when they turn brown, then collect the seed and dry it, put it in mason jars, and then you can put that in soups and your salad and smoothies, and sprinkle it on your food just as you do with salt and pepper. And it also it's a very strong coagulant. The plantain, it stopped the bleeding. The soldiers used plantain leaf to stop bleeding when they got injured during the war. It's used for heavy bleeding menstruation. There's a warning though about plantain. If you are taking some blood thinning drugs, plantain is not for you because it will interfere with the medication, because this will it thickens the blood. It stops the bleeding, so it causes the blood cells to coagulate and heal wounds. Plantain is used to heal wounds and close wounds. So if you have any problems with your blood, that is doing blood clot, this is not for you. So anyways, I probably forgot lots of things. Plantain is good for lots of things. Basically, it neutralizes poison and detox the body, and it's good for lots of things. And I thought of sharing with you because it's good for this time of this challenging time for people that have a hard time breathing. It just might be for you. So look into the description below because I probably forgot to say lots of things. This plant is good for many things, and in the description below you'll find other things too. So if you have any question, do not hesitate to ask me. I will be happy to answer your question. I do read the comments below, and I do answer the questions and answer comments. If people have the same questions, I'll probably end up making another video. So anyways, thank you everyone for watching, and wishing everyone bright blessing.